Today in Scratch we'll be making a racetrack. First you go to the backgrounds, edit, grab the paintbrush, make it bigger, go to the pink,
Preston, before you save that, you listen to it.
just make a simple racetrack right here.
That's gorgeous. Looks like a power race.
Okay, and then for the finish line we'll grab a rectangle, make that yellow, make that right here, and then we'll leave the background white so you can press OK. You can delete this sprite because we'll be using a different one. Import, go to transportation, and we'll use the helicopter. We're going to edit that so we can make it smaller. There, that's pretty good size. And maybe we'll make it a little smaller. There. Now go into the script, go to Control, when clicked, forever if. Okay, so I went ahead and did all the scripts already, so it's pretty simple. All I have to do is go to Control and go to when, blank, key pressed, then you just fill in the right left so that this will be able to move, and then you just change the X and the Y's, 10 and -10. And when you click the green flag up here, and when you start going, if you touch the white, it'll start you back to the beginning, which is what this is here for. And if you hit the yellow, then it will say that you win. We'll do 3 seconds. Alright, so we'll see if this works. See? Oh, hit the white, so I have to go back to the start. And hit the white again. Go across here.
Why is this taking so long?
And you hit the yellow and it says you win. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yay!